Hey guys, it's me, Steph, and I am going to do a quick unboxing on the Turtle Beach Recon Spark Air Force headset. I have used only one other Turtle Beach headset. It was I think it's like the Stealth 300, which I won at Comic-Con during a Square Enix thing. So I had to pick this up today because unfortunately, during this quarantine, both my headsets died. My last Turtle Beach headset I've had for about 2 years and it finally died. And then the other Logitech headset that I had, I was looking for something and I didn't realize it was underneath the drawer. So when I pulled it, basically just cut off, well, not cut off completely, but one of the ear parts of my headset was basically just hanging on for dear life. So I had that on when I was playing Call of Duty with friends yesterday, and I had, the digital, I think it was like some digital EDM concert on my PC, which is over here. And I was consistently looking at Call of Duty and then checking in who was in. And while this was happening, like, this earpiece was just flopping and hitting me back and forth in the face.
Stupid. It's
So I've been keeping my eye on these because of the lavender purple color that they have. Now, yesterday I was debating on picking these up because I did see these at Target. And then I kept looking at other stores like Best Buy and Walmart, and I realized, or I found out just today, that these headsets specifically are exclusive to Target. So they're only sold at Target, which is why I wasn't able to find them. Yesterday I had gone to one Target, which is a few exits away from where I live, and they had one or two in stock. And last night after my headset broke, I was looking online to see if they had any more, and they were gone. So this morning I was just gonna, instead of looking at other places, I just waited till the morning, which was this morning, to see what locations would have this. So I took about a 15-minute drive to pick these up at the Target. And that's when I found out that they were Target exclusives. I did not know that. Upon getting there, though, this was one out of the 3 of these headsets left. And I also saw that they had Razer heads, like a Razer headset. I believe it is, I could be totally wrong. I think it was the V7 or X, something, Razer X. So they had those, and I picked these up for $59.99. Those Razer headsets were $59.99 as well. And I was kind of going back and forth on which headset I should get. This was my first option from the get-go because I love the color purple, and as soon as I saw these were even coming out, I was obsessed. Let alone I was obsessed by the color alone because white and purple. I have a white PS4 controller with the little purple paw print thumb grips. My PC is purple and white. I just really dug this color scheme, and because I've already had Turtle Beach headsets, I was kind of more stuck on, I've already tried this, so tried them. A lot of the people that I was asking about for advice. So basically what my friends were saying, that it's really up to you on your preference about what you like at the end of the day. And because I've already experienced Turtle Beach and they haven't really done me wrong, I was really stuck on these purple and white ones, especially since later on in the future, I would like to eventually pick up a Razer headset, preferably for just PC use, and I would just use this for my gaming stuff. I also specifically like the fact that these are Xbox One, PS4 Pro, PS4 and PS4 Pro, Nintendo Switch, PC, and mobile friendly. So it's really very universal. Let's see. I'll read like the stuff on the back. So it says they are high quality 44mm speakers. Superior 40mm over-the-ear speakers deliver amazing game sound, so you can hear every crisp high and thundering low. Glasses friendly, which is perfect for me because one of the biggest things that kind of get irritating with headsets is you start to feel your head squishing, or I get a lot of pressure on this area of my glasses, which is really hard. I mean, there are times where like I just don't want to deal. I will actually put on contacts just to play a game or just to do whatever. So it would be nice to maybe see how these go. It has the flip up microphone. So Turtle Beach's re-owned high sensitivity mic picks up voice loud and clear and flips to mute. Now, my other headset had that same ability, which has been good. It's been nice to like, if I just want to mute real quick, I just flip it up. That was another thing that I did when I was at Target. I actually looked at my old streams on YouTube just to see how the quality sounded. And so far, I liked how the quality sounded on those. Let's see. So I already said that there's multi-platform compatibility, which is Xbox One, PS4 Pro, PS4, Nintendo Switch, PC, gaming. Also works great on mobile devices. On-ear volume controls. So there is going to be an accessible, easy access for volume control. There is durable comfort, a metal reinforced headband and synthetic leather wrapped around memory foam ear cushions that provide added durability and complete comfort. So for the connections, it does say that there is a 3.5 millimeter and PC splitter cable, which is nice. It actually shows right there in the box. I will pull those out so you guys can see. Let's see. So there is this Pro Specs glasses friendly design, originally created for Elite Pro Tournament gaming headset. Turtle Beach's exclusive Pro Specs glasses friendly technology is built into the Recon Spark, featuring an advanced ear cushion design and materials that allow gamers who wear glasses to finally play in comfort. So there's going to be a little area that I'm going to check out there with the headset. Okay, so let's open her up. Of course, if you've seen my unboxings, I always pull this out. And we are going to cut a nice little slit if I can do it. I don't think I'm going to be able to do it. I'm not going to be able to do it. I almost stabbed my hand. I'm going to... there you go. So let us open her up. Okay. Oh God. So first of all, we have the cable over here. I will put that right here. And then here is the headset in a nice secure holder. So we'll pull these out. First of all, these are ridiculously light. These are very lightweight. Okay, let's kind of see how this goes. So this is the mouthpiece. It's gonna go like that. We could go ahead and put it on. Oh, okay. They are definitely very comfortable. They are very cushioned. That's another thing. They're not very tight. There's not even really pressure. They cup in a very good way. They are very noise canceling from around. Like I already feel like whatever could be around me is already muted. These cushions feel really smooth. They are very nice. There is the logo here. What else does it say? Okay. So here's the reinforced metal. And it is also on the other side. So if we made that bigger. So it just kind of like, I mean, I'm fine with it like this. I could pull these a little more if I wanted to. It's not necessary. I guess that just gives the extra. And then they have this cord. The cord, I believe it says it is, I think it's like 6 feet, 10 feet, 6 feet. Oh, and then these are the, sorry, that's what it is. So this is the splitter cables. So you can see that one of them is the microphone, for the microphone. Hopefully it clears. This one is for the microphone, and this one is for the headphones and speaker jack. So that's good. And then, of course, they have the Turtle Beach support. So I was told that these at least have a 1-year warranty. Oh, and also, if you can see, this is where the volume gauge is on the back right here. So you could be able to adjust. I wonder if we can test out the sound on how it would be if I can record. So let me actually unhook these, and then I am going to unplug my headset or my mic for this video, and then I will try to talk and see if you guys can hear me well on here. So we'll see that. So this is me testing out the mic. If you can hear how I sound, if I sound okay, good. It is nice that my glasses are on and there is no strain to the sides of my head at all. The area of how long the tip is from where I'm talking, I'm hoping my voice is picked up and it's not very muted. I know that was one of the things that I was looking at the other headset, because it had a adjustable mic, so you can either put it a little far from your face if you want, a little closer if you need to be picked up. Let's see if that works. Okay, so I was able to switch back to the mic that I originally used for recording. Hopefully you can see a difference in between the recordings of using this headset to talk and the mic that I normally use. That way you can decide if this is going to be the headset you would like. I want to actually really just give it a good go with gaming, and I will probably check back in maybe later or a few days on if my opinions have changed or if I'm still pretty happy with what I have so far. Yeah, so I will possibly get back to that. Hey guys, this is me updating you guys. I have put in maybe more than 10 hours now on these headphones consecutively throughout the week. So yeah, so far still really like them. I have no complaints other than the fact that you really can't hear shit like when these are on. Like hear shit that's happening around you. Like right now, I'm just using it for the mic for this video and everything is like muted. So it does have noise cancellation outside. So yeah, if that's something that interests you, then you should try it out. Okay, thank you for watching.